Oh. No. Oh, no. Yep. Blew up another one.
Oh yeah, it's smoking.
Oh.
Wow, I can smell it too.
Okay, so use that for your razor. Come on.
So Dave, explain what you just did.
Well, I'm attempting to use these 200 watt step down converters for a 1000 watt Keurig coffee maker. Unfortunately, this particular one does not have a safety feature in it that trips it, so it just catches on fire. Another one bites the dust.
Well, I think it's important to point out that this is one of the few enjoyments we have working here in Soyo. So this is a big deal that you are not able to get this to work.
It is.
See
It
your
is.
frown. There you have it. Another 30 seconds in Soyo.